guys, next to me I have the Toyota Supra, a legend in the flesh, and I finally get to drive it.
The Toyota Supra has an impressive inline 6-cylinder 3-litre engine with single twin-scroll turbo producing 335 brake horsepower to the rear wheels. Mixed with a weight of 1.5 tonnes and a manual gearbox, it already sounds pretty exciting to drive. Now 0 to 60 will take you approximately 4.6 seconds, whilst the car will set you back nearly £55,000.
Initial impressions just sitting in it is, you know you're in a sports car, you know you're in something special. You have a manual gearbox, which I absolutely adore. But the windscreen's tiny. With all my cameras set up everywhere, I can't see much, so we'll see how we get on, but is this going to live up to the legendary status that everyone is shouting about?
As we are at Millbrook Proving Ground testing the GR range, the Supra and I will be heading over to the high-speed bowl.
Okay, so we've just realised we're not actually going on the hill route that we did the GR86, we're going on the high-speed bowl. Woo! Woo. Oh, I'm a little bit nervous now. I've memorised the hill route, I know why I'm going there. This is going to be something different. Da, da, da. Make sure it's clear. Let's just absolutely send it. So this one's 60 and this one's 70, I think. Oh my god, this thing shifts, but it feels so stable at the same time. It's everything I thought it would be. The trouble is, this feels so settled at this speed. We're sitting at 90 miles an hour in the second to highest lane channel, and it could go faster. It's not threatened by this at all. And the trouble is with this car is that it's built to go around corners quite fast and have the amazing handling that I kind of wish we were on the hill route, because I really want to extract everything I can from it. But it's given us a taste of what it should be like. The steering itself, it's well weighted, it's not too heavy, but you get every little bit of feedback. But for a driver's car, you definitely need, it's giving you all the information you need with it being rear wheel drive, that you can put it where you want to go. In terms of, say, going on an actual track day, you can feel so confident in this that you're going to be one of the quickest things around there. You've got that incredible 3-cylinder engine, you've got all the power in the world, a manual gearbox to tick your fun off, the brakes feel great, and you know you're just going to sit happily around the corners and put the power on out. Makes me want to take it on track, but I guess this will do. The one thing with high-speed bowls though, you get a little bit dizzy, I'm not going to lie. And the milkshake we had earlier
isn't sitting very well.
It's not sitting very well. It just sits so nicely. There's barely any steering input here. I love it. I love it.
I love it.
I love it. It's my kind of car, this. Now we've dropped down whilst we're trying to find the exit of this. It feels really comfortable. Sat at 70 miles an hour, you can imagine just sitting on a motorway quite happily here. You're not going to come into any trouble. The suspension, it's firm, but it's not back-braking. It's doing everything it should do. And on the boring side of things, is that the exit?
Yeah.
Ooh, clutch.
Yeah, don't forget there's a clutch.
The clutch itself, very springy, the same with the brake pedal. It seems to be a common thing across the GR range, but it does the job. It's got a nice firm biting point. The brakes feel firm, they're great, they stop you in plenty of time. The entertainment system, the dash, obviously there's a whole BMW argument, but it means it's got quality. So in terms of looking for a day-to-day performance car, you've got everything that you could want in it with epic performance. So there we have it, guys. Do you know what? It definitely lives up to its status as a legendary car. It kind of makes me want one, but I definitely need to take it on a proper B-road or track adventure to find out more. But you guys all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.